Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Download Virtualbox and the extension pack and grab the Linux ISO with its checksum. This prevents later failures. Once done, open Virtualbox and click New, name the VM, select the correct type and version so drivers align. Choose memory and CPU now, don't skimp, because changing later is harder. Create a virtual hard disk, VDI or VHD, with dynamically allocated storage. This gives flexibility and saves host disk space. You now boot the VM from the ISO and walk through the distro installer. Partitioning, time zone, locale, and user credentials. Choose guided partitioning unless you need custom LVM. Make sure network is set to NAT or bridged depending on whether you need external access. NAT is simpler. After the system installs and reboots, install Virtualbox guest additions inside the VM to enable shared folders and improved video. This enhances performance and makes file transfer seamless between host and guest. You finish by tuning resources, enable 3D acceleration if needed, raise video RAM, and refine CPU or I/O limits. This balances host and guest performance. Make a snapshot so you can revert after experiments and export the appliance for a portable backup. If things go wrong, say the VM won't boot. Boot a live ISO to inspect logs, check DMESC and journoctl, and try toggling EFI or secure boot. That one troubleshooting step often reveals mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.